Hello, teacher. My favorite restaurant is White Hawk Adobe KFC. For a long time now, really enjoyed the food they served there. Currently, I love two eggs, the broster chicken. It's my favorite dish. When I visit a KFC, I always feel casual and relaxed atmospheres. Generally, there are families with children, group of friends, and also people who are simply looking for a quick and convenient meal. I have noticed that the atmospheres are always been very family friendly and welcoming. Welcome. Regarding the dishes and the menu, KFC is famous for its fried chicken. Food that helps of offer a variety of other products. For example, they serve French fries, mashed potatoes, with gravy, salad, roasted chicken, as always been the star. If I go right now, I will surely order a combo each several pieces of chicken. I I think that in the future KFC will continue to be a popular place for those of us who are looking for a king and tasty meal. Perhaps they will and next items to the menu book. I hope the roasted chicken never changes. Last night, for example, I was thinking about going to KFC because I was craving that creeping chicken. In summer, KFC has been and will continue to be my top choice when I want to enjoy good fast food, especially that delicious roasted chicken. Thank you.